These microscopic biological catalysts power billion-dollar industries.
A single fermentation tank produces enzymes worth millions. Fermentation process design, aerobic
wheels. From large-scale fermentation to advanced downstream purification and rigorous quality control, we ensure
The stability assurance data looks excellent.
this new formulation technique significantly improves enzyme activity for market applications.
Race. From fermentation and downstream processing to purification and formulation, followed by rigorous quality.
The process involves careful fermentation technology, followed by robust downstream processing and purification methods.
Harnessing biotechnology innovation through advanced fermentation, our downstream processing ensures high purity for diverse market applications.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 22. Fermentation technology, downstream processing.
Utilizing advanced fermentation technology, we move to downstream processing. Our purification methods
fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, formulation techniques, and comprehensive quality control testing.
Through advanced biotechnology innovation, we ensure stability assurance. Our downstream process.
This is step 31 of our industrial enzyme manufacturing process. Utilizing advanced fermentation technology. Step 33 in our industrial and manufacturing process covers fermentation.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 36, fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, and formulation techniques.
Through advanced fermentation and downstream processing, we achieve high-purity enzymes, followed by strict quality control and stability assurance.
The industrial enzyme manufacturing process involves several critical steps: fermentation, downstream processing, industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 48, fermentation technology, downstream processing, and purification methods.
Fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, and quality control testing are essential for biotechnology innovation.
The stability profile looks excellent at scale.
And the activity levels are precisely where we need them for the new application.
Since the stability data looks excellent across all batches.
Yes, and the market projections for this new enzyme are
Fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, formulation techniques, and quality control testing. Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 55, fermentation technology, downstream processing, and purification methods.
Harnessing the power of fermentation technology, we move through downstream processing and advanced purification methods.
We utilize advanced fermentation technology and sophisticated purification methods, ensuring stability and quality control throughout the process.
Fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, formulation techniques, quality control testing, stability assurance, and market applications.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing utilizes advanced fermentation technology, followed by downstream.
Using advanced fermentation technology and rigorous downstream processing, we ensure the highest quality through precise
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 69, fermentation technology, downstream processing.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 70, fermentation technology, downstream processing, pure.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 72, fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification.
From large-scale fermentation and downstream processing to advanced purification and quality control, we ensure maximum stability and innovation.
3.75. Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 75, fermentation technology, downstream process.
Welcome to step 80 of the industrial enzyme manufacturing process. Here we see the downstream processing.
Look at how the active site is binding. This is exactly what we hypothesized.
the downstream processing worked perfectly. We've achieved stability assurance.
We finalized the purification methods for the new formulation.
And quality control confirms the stability assurance targets have been met.
Routes. Through advanced fermentation and downstream processing, we ensure high purity. Our quality control and
This integrated approach, covering everything from fermentation to rigorous quality control, is the future of biotechnology innovation. Esters. The industrial enzyme manufacturing process involves large-scale fermentation technology, followed by advanced downstream.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 88. Fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods.
From large-scale fermentation to advanced downstream purification, every step is optimized. Quality control.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 91. Fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification. Industrial enzyme manufacturing process, fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, and formulation techniques. Fermentation technology leads to downstream processing and advanced purification methods. Rigorous quality control testing ensures stability assurance and market readiness.
The stability data for this batch looks promising.
Yes, and the market analysis suggests a strong uptake in the agriculture sector.
We utilize advanced fermentation technology for enzyme manufacturing, followed by rigorous downstream processing and purification methods.
From large-scale fermentation to meticulous quality control, our downstream processing ensures
Step 101. Fermentation technology leads to downstream processing, ensuring purification and quality control throughout the manufacturing process.
From large-scale fermentation and advanced downstream processing to purification and final quality control.
We've finalized the quality control testing on the latest batch.
Excellent. The stability assurance data
Our innovative purification methods ensure the highest quality control, allowing us to stabilize the enzyme for diverse market applications. From large-scale fermentation and advanced purification methods to rigorous quality control testing, we From fermentation technology and downstream processing, we move to advanced purification methods.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 1 and 12. Fermentation technology, downstream processing.
Leveraging advanced fermentation technology and sophisticated purification methods, we ensure the highest quality.
Fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, formulation techniques, and quality control testing.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 119, featuring fermentation technology, downstream processing, and advanced purification methods. Obligations. Industrial enzyme manufacturing process step 121, fermentation technology, downstream processing.
Industrial enzyme manufacturing process, fermentation technology, downstream processing, purification methods, and quality control testing.
Tại si sa thể, vì sự phong bộ trên spip của nghiệp and trade. Ý sẽ đơn sự Africa, vì hữu đạo thả.